Takealot is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in South Africa. Most people use it to spend, but today I'm going to show you how to use it to earn and build your first 100,000 Rand step by step in 2025. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real blueprint for real people who want to build something from nothing. No fluff, no paid tools, no fake flexes, just execution. Step 1. Choose your income lane. There are 3 proven paths to make money with Takealot. 1. Affiliate marketing. You promote Takealot products. When someone buys using your link, you earn commission. You don't need stock, deliveries, or a website, just your smartphone and hustle. 2. Reselling. Retail arbitrage. Find products on Takealot, Game, or Alibaba at low prices. Resell for profit via WhatsApp, Facebook, and Street Smarts. This is what I call digital flipping. 3. Become a Takealot seller. You upload your own products to the Takealot marketplace and let their logistics do the rest. Higher barrier, but also higher scale. You go from hustler to brand. Choose one. Focus hard, scale fast. Step 2. Find products that work. Winning products are in demand but not overcrowded, priced under 500 Rand, impulse buys, easy to ship, easy to explain, poorly listed by other sellers, giving you a chance to win. Examples: phone accessories, LED lights, kitchen hacks, grooming gear, toys, budget tech. Use Takealot's Best Sellers tab, compare prices with Game or China Mall, then pounce on the profit gaps. Step 3. Launch smart. If you're doing affiliate marketing, sign up at takealot.com/affiliate program. Use Bitly or Linktree to manage links. Record TikTok videos, status updates, short form reviews, and WhatsApp story sales. Pair with AI tools like ChatGPT for captions and product hooks. If you're selling products, shoot clean pics. Use natural light plus Canva. Write powerful product descriptions using ChatGPT. Add urgency and emotion to titles. Upload to Takealot's seller portal and test pricing. Step 4. Scale from side hustle to 6 figures. Once sales come in, reinvest. Don't blow it. Upgrade your systems. Buy more stock. Automate your marketing with CapCut, Canva, or InShot. Track every sale, cost, and return in Google Sheets or Notion. Study trends weekly. Algorithms reward creators who stay relevant. 100K isn't made from one viral moment. It's made from small wins stacked daily. Reality check. Timeline. You won't make 100K overnight. This is a 90-day to 180-day journey. But if you stay consistent, learn from failures, and put in daily effort, 100K is not a fantasy. It's a milestone. Outro. Comment 100K below if you want a free blueprint cheat sheet for this strategy. I'll also drop free tools, templates, and links to help you start today.